On your next camping trip, don't go unprepared. You guys need a little personal fan, especially if you're going to be entering into hot days. This is an awesome personal fan that's just going to be very directional. You see that? It's not going to be a room fan. That's why you want this as tight as you can get it around your neck so that it comes and sits just right here and it blows up in your face, right? And so you can sit back, relax, enjoy the sun, but not enjoy the heat. To turn it on, you press and hold on this button right here. That's going to kick it into the load mode. And you want to increase it, you just press it again, medium mode, and then one more time for your high speed fan. Now that, again, that's going to blow quite a bit of air into your face, right? If you want to as well, you can hook this up into your back pocket. And I've done this many a times where I take the strap off. I don't necessarily want it blowing on my face. I can hook this up, take the strap off and hook it up. It clips down here and right here. So let me show you. You take and you clip it to the back of your shorts just like that, and then you pull your shirt over and it is just gonna be blowing air. It feels so good. Up your shirt, woohoo! Love that, right? You can flip it around and put it on the inside if you wanted to. We're gonna go full power. You can put it right here. Probably a little easier to see. And then you just take and you bring your shirt, put that over it just like that. And now it's blowing up your shirt. I actually kind of like that a little better because it gets, circulates that air a little bit. See that? Yeah, that feels really good. This is almost like having a portable air seat on you at all times. You can wear it around your neck. You can pin it to your clothes. You can do lots of things with it. And the other cool thing too is this right here, this is the battery bank. And you can use this as a charger if you wanted to, but you can also charge it up with the USB-C. But if you needed the battery for charging your phone or whatever, it's a power bank as well. So I love having multiple uses with this thing. And to get it back in, you just line the arrows up, push it in. Again, button to release it, button to power it, personal fan, take anywhere you can go. You can throw it over your shirt so nobody knows you have it on there, and you can stay cool all day long. Don't let this fool you. With the big battery right here, this is gonna last you all day. And I don't even remember the last time I actually had to charge it. So this big battery to push this small fan, it's gonna last you quite a while. And that it's charging, and you just pop this out like that. You can throw this in your car and charge it up while you're having AC going on. And then when you know you're gonna go to the baseball, soccer games, whatever, like this is gonna be a huge sports fan dream come true when you're watching your little kiddos play outside on every Saturday. So if you live in the South and you have humidity, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't and you just wanna stay cool, then you're welcome to your next big personal item.